Hey, hi, my name is Ricardo Figueroa. I'm with RRG Marketing Options. And I wanted to share something with you about your website. I saw that you are spending money on Google AdWords, spending at least $3 or $4 per click, as you can see here, general contractor. And that's what your website is all about. It's a general contractor. And I wanted to share a few tips. You can implement this if you want, or you can call me. We could schedule and prepare a full marketing plan for your business. But take this advice for free, go and implement it, and you will see a lot of changes in your, especially your rankings and so on. So I did a little bit of research. Like I said, I plug your website here in this software, and I don't see any backlinks, and that's not good. For you, because that's why you're not ranking well, especially in a competitive keyword for general contractors. And also your area, Edmonds and Seattle, is very, very competitive. So that's why you need to work on this, and we can help you with that. Basically, you need more links. You need other websites pointing to your website so you could rank higher and create more content inside your website right here. That's the one that you're looking at right now. Especially, for example, you need to be heavy on content like general contractor Seattle, general contractor Edmonds, general contractor in all the cities that you're willing to drive and work with those customers. So that's why you need more content, and we could help you with that if you want. But get hot on this and start making more content, and you will see a big difference in rankings. Also, don't forget about the backlinks. You need more backlinks, and your ranking will be a lot higher. So I did a research again. In Edmonds, let's put Seattle, because your ad is more focused on Seattle than in Seattle, Washington. See, your ad's still showing up. In this one, you don't have the extensions. I think in the previous one you have some extensions. I'm not sure if you had them or not. Yeah, you have extensions, but you don't have a phone extension. We can help you also with the AdWords, improve them and make them better, and save you some money. Let me see. So your website is called General Contractor Edmonds. Let's change it to Edmonds, because your Edmonds, your website is more based for Edmonds than Seattle. It's in your domain. So let's look. Let's see if you are here in the Google Maps. This is a Google Maps section. Let's see if you're here. I don't know. Maybe you're under general contractor in Edmonds. I'm not sure. Oh, I don't see anything on page 1, so people don't even look at the second page. So let's look for your website under the organic searches. General contractor Edmonds. It's all thumbtack, all that stuff. And I don't see your website at all. After 2 pages, people are not gonna look, or maybe 3. You are right here. General contractors, you're on the second page. So with that little tip that I just gave you, look, you're in general contractor Edmonds, Washington. So with, as you can see, the power of content. Like I mentioned to you before, if you this, I think is the one that I just explained you right here. That way you know what I'm talking about. This one, general contractor. This is the content that I found doing the Google search. That's why you know now that content is gonna be huge for you. It's gonna make a big difference. Especially general contractors' websites, they don't pay attention too much about SEO, and that's where the SEO comes into place. And I can help you. Definitely, I can help you with that and improve your rankings a lot. I'm not sure if you're paying a company. If you are, you're wasting money. They're not doing anything for you. You're still on the second page at the bottom, and I can help you with that for sure. Other things to improve. I just closed the tab. I don't know. This just was a quick, simple video about how to improve your website. You're spending money, so that means you care about your business, especially when you're paying AdWords just to get a few clicks. In the long run, you could save all this money that you're spending on AdWords. You could save that money because once you rank higher in Google and you have and you rank in the map section, you are going to save maybe I will say 60% or 70% of those money that you're spending on ads. I'm not saying you should quit AdWords, but if I could save you some money and make you more money, that's the best. It's a win-win situation for you. Also, if you don't have a pixel, a Facebook pixel, in which you don't, right? This right here is the Facebook pixel helper. You don't have a pixel on your website, and that's a huge mistake. Why? Because when people come from Google AdWords to your website and they leave, you're not retargeting them, so you are wasting ad money right there. So the best way to go is add a pixel to your website. That way, if they leave, right, and they go back to their home, go back to their life, and they forgot about the quote maybe for a general contractor, and they're in Facebook scrolling, they will see an ad which is very cheap. You can run an ad for like cents in Facebook, retargeting those people and say, hey, did you forget to schedule a call? Give us a call, and engage with them and bring them back to you, and especially make that phone ring right here. So I think that's it for now. It's just a short video showing you a few things. You can implement all this if you want, but if you want to know how can I help you, I do it for you, and I will guarantee results. You will rank. Once I start adding content like crazy, adding that Facebook pixel, and you let me do the retargeting pixel, I guarantee you results. So, or your money back. Simple as that. My name is Ricardo Figueroa. Thank you for watching this video, and have a blessed day on purpose.